Hello guys, hope you guys are well. I know I've done my eyes, I've not done my brows, everything is just looking crazy on this clip. Today I'm going to be comparing the Beauty Bakerie powder, the Beauty Bakerie yellow powder with the SACHA Buttercup setting powder. Yes guys, Beauty Bakerie has just come and just changed some people's life with this powder right here. People really like this Beauty Bakerie powder, and some of them have forgotten about the SACHA Buttercup. I don't know. Some of them are just forgotten that SACHA exists after using the Beauty Bakerie powder. So I decided, I love the SACHA a lot. I don't think I will stop using this powder. This is my go-to powder. But I decided to buy the Beauty Bakerie powder. I'll leave a link to that UK website I bought it at the description bar. I decided to buy the Beauty Bakerie powder. And I said, let me try it out and see the hype. Why people are dumping SACHA and dumping other powder to use this Beauty Bakerie powder. Do you understand? So we are going to give it a try, compare it with the SACHA Buttercup. Okay, so the Beauty Bakerie powder, I bought mine for £19. I'm going to leave the US price, the UK price on the video. And if the packaging looks like this, it actually have a very sleek packaging. It has a gold top right here, then you can see the powder, and this is in shade yellow. They have other shade, so but I bought the shade yellow because this is the one that most dark skin girls use. Then you guys know the SACHA already. This is breaking news. Okay, this is breaking news. So this is SACHA packaging. SACHA has the black cover, then you can see the powder on it, then you have the SACHA name right here. So this product on SACHA is more than this one. Even on the casing, you can actually see that SACHA is bigger than this. I don't know if they have a bigger size of this Beauty Bakerie powder, but this one is the one I found on the site. This one is the one I bought in the UK because I don't have time to be spending money for shipping and custom from the US. I'm saving coin. I'm saving coin. Anyway, enough about that talk. Now let us get into this comparing this powder video. I'll just fast forward this part, but I'll show you the things I'm using. I'll also link it at the description bar. So what I'm doing here is that I'm highlighting and contouring before foundation. For those who don't understand, some people will say, what is this girl doing? Why is she wearing makeup like this? I'm just doing this first before foundation. I'm going to apply my foundation on top of this. If you've not seen me do this type of video before, I'll link it up here for you guys to go watch. This is called highlighting and contouring before foundation. Using the two powders, like I said, I'm comparing the Beauty Bakerie and the SACHA Buttercup. So I'll use the SACHA Buttercup on my right hand side of my face, which will be the left hand side of my face on camera. Then I'll use the Beauty Bakerie on my left hand side of my face, which will be my right hand side of my face on camera. So let's compare these two powders, guys. They're both packaged differently inside of it. The Beauty Bakerie has two sides on it for you to the powder to come out, or one side, I can't remember now. Then you know the normal side of the normal inside of the SACHA. Because they are both translucent powder, I can't really bend them because I don't want them to pour on the floor. So the yellow is quite different. The SACHA Buttercup yellow run deeper than the Beauty Bakerie. This Beauty Bakerie yellow is more fine and light, while the SACHA is deeper. Like, look at that. Even on camera, you can actually see the difference. Then I'll take the side of the sponge and take the SACHA. So that is the Sacha. Now I'm going to take the Beauty Bakerie on the other side of the sponge. For first filling, this Beauty Bakerie, the soft filling, reminds me it reminds me of the L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder, like the soft filling on the face. So this Beauty Bakerie reminds me of the L'Oreal Mercier or whatever they call it powder to set the rest of my face. This is how they look like. The Sacha has a yellow undertone. Why this has a very light yellow undertone? You can't actually see the yellow, but on Sacha you can actually see the yellow peeping through. So from looking at it, I actually prefer the yellow tone of the Sacha than this one, because I mean, you know, I just like the yellow of Sacha. But when blending it out, it might not even look any different. So I'll just leave this to just set in here. Let me see how it oxidizes into the skin. Let me just quickly do my brows. So the brows is not looking on fleek. Work with what we have today. So the powder, funny enough, if you look at it, if I come close to you, the Sacha oxidizes more than the Beauty Bakerie. This powder is just soaking into my skin. As you can see it right here. Right here is like fading away on this part of my face. Whereas the Beauty Bakerie is taking its time, it's just fading right here. Just soaking to the skin little by little. The Sacha like work fast to soak in. Press this powder underneath the eyes. Flip it, then just press this into my skin. Sacha is very good for deeper skin tone. That is what I feel. But we can still get away by using light powder. But when you apply a lot for baking, you have to take your facial powder and dust off the excess to blend everything into your skin. But now it's giving me like a white cast right here. I'll take my facial powder by BH Cosmetic. I'll just take this on my brush. Then I'll go over this. Look at that. The Sacha is looking really nice. When you put your powder on top of it, beautiful. Like you can't actually tell that I used 2 different powder on my face. You can't tell. Just taking your facial powder and apply it when you are done baking or setting your face. That will just bring color back to your face. They both look really similar. They both look so similar. I can't tell the difference. CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer. What you can do from this step is to spray your face with your facial spray, just to remove all the powder effect and let it soak into your skin. But I will go finish up my face, then I'll come back and spray my face again and talk more about the powder before ending this clip. Okay guys, I'm back. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the end of this video. So this is how the powder is looking underneath my eyes, the Sacha and the Beauty Bakerie powder. I've done my lip, I've finished up my face. I'm glowing. I use the Crystal Lian highlighting palette, collaboration with Urban Decay. So this is really nice. So check out this tutorial. I follow her video to do this makeup, one of her videos to do this makeup. So I will link that at the description bar or up here if you want to see the full tutorial. Okay, so back to this powder. I actually like the way the 2 powder is looking. I've not sprayed my face because I told you I'm going to come back and spray my face. So I'm going to spray my face now. I'll spray my face using my Mario Badescu facial spray. This will just remove all the powder effect because I'm not actually spraying my face, and the 2 powder are holding up really well. They look so flawless. I don't even need to spray my face better. I just will do it for my satisfaction, and this will also remove any powder effect and blend everything into the skin. The two powder look really nice on the skin. So we recommend the SACHA every day, anytime, any day. I will recommend the SACHA. I will also recommend the Beauty Bakerie because in the sense that it has a slight of yellow to it. It's a good powder too, and the formula is really nice. It's very soft on the skin. I actually feel that the Beauty Bakerie is quite softer than the SACHA Buttercup. It reminds me of the L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder. The way it feels on the face, it reminds me of that powder. So that is all I have to say about this. Anyone that you can get is fine. I will recommend the two powder, but I will link it at the description bar for you guys if you are interested. I'll put the US and the UK website at the description bar. If you are a new subscriber, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let me know what other comparison video you want to see next. And that is all I have to say, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.